How to activate and log into Wayfair Credit Card online. Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily activate and log into your Wayfair Credit Card online. So let's just jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is access your web browser on your PC or your phone, and on the search bar you're just going to have to search for Wayfair Credit Card, login, hit enter. And you'll see the Wayfair credit card issued by citi.com. All you have to do is go ahead and open this up. And you can also access your Wayfair credit card from Wayfair's official website as well. All you have to do is just log into your account, tap on the sign in button. And once you click on the sign in button, you should be able to enter your login details. So simply go ahead and enter your email address here. Click on continue, and you can just go ahead and log into your account from here. You could also continue with Citibank services, so you can enter your ID here. Then once you've done that, you can enter your password. And if you want the browser to remember your user ID, click right here and then click on the sign on button. If you somehow forgot your ID or password, click on this button to recover it. And that's about it, guys. That's how you basically log into your Wayfair credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.